Imagine golden, buttery pretzels, soft as clouds, with a shiny crust that cracks just a little when you bite in. Dangerously fluffy, pillowy, and oh so irresistible. The smell alone, sweet, warm, and slightly toasty, will have your taste buds dancing. I have 180 milliliters of lukewarm water in my stand mixer, adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, 2 teaspoons plus a 1/4 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Give it a quick mix and let it rest 5 minutes until it blooms beautifully. Now for the flour, 540 grams of all-purpose flour, measured loosely, not packed. A little less than 1 tablespoon of salt goes in. Whisk it to combine evenly. I add this dry mixture to our bloomed yeast and fold it roughly with a spatula. Makes kneading smoother and faster. Can you smell that yeast coming alive? That's the beginning of magic, my friends. Time to knead. So far, I've only added roughly 120 grams of flour, just enough to make a base for kneading. That makes everything so much easier after this. Now I attach the kneading head and start adding the remaining flour gradually, little by little. In between, I fold in 45 grams of melted butter. Knead on medium speed or by hand if you want the workout. Feel the dough getting soft, elastic, and oh so satisfying. Look at this dough. It's soft to touch, not sticky at all. You can see how it holds together, doesn't stick to my hands. That's the exact texture we're aiming for. Brush the bowl with a little oil. Place the dough inside. Cover and let it rest in a warm spot for about 1 hour until it doubles in size. Just look at that puff. Wow, look at this beauty. Airy, soft, perfect for shaping. I gently punch the dough to release the air. Divide it into 8 equal parts. Taking one piece, I roll it into a rod about 20 inches long, roughly 3½ hands. See how I shaped it? Just gently roll, twist, and done. That's it. My eldest joins me, shaping even better than me. Baking with kids is fun, teaches patience, and shows them how much love goes into every creation. Dangerous fun, really. Time for the classic tie shape. I gently dust the work surface, then I press the dough against my hand and roll it into a long string-like shape. Just look at that, so easy. Now I twist it into a tie shape, and yes, this is exactly the way. I'm not a professional, I just love baking and my kids enjoy whatever I make, and that's enough for me. These dangerously soft pretzels are already looking tempting. This is how it looks with a single twist and this one with the double twist. Carefully drop them into 10 to 12 cups of boiling water with 60 milliliters of baking soda for 20 seconds. Don't overdo it or it turns bitter. Flipping halfway, only 20 seconds. Don't rush this part. Drop only one pretzel at a time. Why? If you add more than one, the water cools down, the timing goes off, and the magic 20-second bath is ruined. That little misstep and the taste turns bitter. Total disaster. So one by one, gently flip halfway and remove them after 20 seconds. Remove and place on a baking sheet. Beat 1 egg and brush the pretzels for a beautiful golden shine. Totally optional, but makes them dangerously irresistible. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top if you like. Adds crunch. Bake at 230 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Just look at them. Golden, buttery, shiny, and oh, so soft inside. The aroma fills the kitchen. The crust cracks slightly when you bite in, dangerously pillowy and addictive. These pretzels stay fresh for up to 1 week if you don't eat them all immediately. I want to hear from you. If these pretzels appeared on your counter right now, how many would you eat before anyone noticed? Comment below and tell me where you're watching from. I want to know how far my dangerously soft, buttery pretzels have traveled. Okay, let me just tuck these beauties into an airtight container. Technically, they'll stay fresh for up to 1 week, but let's see if they even last till tomorrow. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in another dangerously fluffy adventure. Happy baking!